Hello everybody, it's your boy Astro Smasher. In today's video, everybody's gonna be throwing snowballs at us while we're on their cars.
Like this. Ah! That's how.
You bet, yeah.
I'm Jude. You saw me last
Do you remember
Christmas.
me?
You
Do
saw
you
me.
remember me?
You saw
I'm
me
Astro
last
Smasher, okay?
Christmas. So Uncle Skylar and my dad, who's right there.
Okay, that's okay.
They is going to throw snowballs at us while we try to run away in the cars.
And we have a surprise for you. Auntie Kelsey is pregnant.
And she has a baby soon.
Yeah. So that's the surprise. So see you there. So I hope you like and subscribe, and I hope you liked our video. Bye!